You want that water chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, we're going to talk about the top picks of the ultra rich. So here we go. Crypto market, of course, has shed $1 trillion in cumulative market cap amidst a recent weakness. And meanwhile, Bitcoin remains down by almost 45% in value since its record high in November 2020. Now, 1 billion crypto investors, are estimated to most likely invest in this asset class by the end of 2022. That is quite a lot of numbers compared to the current 10 million active wallets. And inflation could be one of the biggest drivers that will lead to the crypto adoption. So it might lead to that, guys. In fact, the Tiger 21 report highlighted that the members have doubled on their crypto investment. It is also revealed that being actively considered as an alternative to gold, the top investment vehicle range from Ethereum 34%, Bitcoin 33%, crypto funds 23%, and altcoins about 50%, 15%, and Doge at 2%. Now, of course, beating inflation with discretion, Michael, chairman and founder of Tiger 21, said that as all investors should be, the ultra wealthy are concerned about inflation and looking to preserve assets in 2022. Now, in regards to the crypto analysts, ultra wealthy can very easily buy $10 million worth of Bitcoin or Ethereum without crashing their value. However, it is not true for low cap coins. You sell 10 millions of Bitcoin, nobody even notice. So, of course, individuals are betting on the startup and exposures to crypto fund. In a report by Bloomberg, majority of the virtual assets investors are looking at asset class for speculative purposes. Therefore, quick profits. Many have deep dive into the space. Some public figures, including names like Miami Mayor Francis and New York Mayor Eric Adams, have been accepting their paycheck in crypto also. Now, I'm very bullish on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. My personal assessment is that the wind is shifted in favor of Ethereum. I like Ethereum alternatives as well as Solana and Avalanche, to name two. Asian riches turn to the crypto. A family like Benis and Hartanos and Mistress are observed their investment pattern. The Hartanos, Indonesians' richest family, is reported in talks with Binance to set up an exchange. Meanwhile, other HNIs are turning towards crypto in addition to their investment in tech and e-commerce. For instance, the Cheng Chao Tai Fook Jewelry Group Private Limited has invested in crypto trading exchanges Max3 Port and other virtual asset business. However, not everyone is thinking this way when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency. A Tiger 21 member poll published earlier showed that only 27 of the respondents are bullish on crypto. This was a poll that they had.
Wow.
So Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course, are still early adoption, says Bloomberg Intelligent Analyst, right? So Bitcoin and Ethereum remains early adoption days with a decreasing demand and declining supply related to price implication. Our bias is why complicate it. Unless something unlikely reverses of the technology, prices should rise over time. Now, experts of the two largest cryptocurrencies continue to appreciate due to supply and demand dynamics. McGlone believes that only a black swan even will be able to stop these two currencies. Now, earlier this month, the analyst doubled down on his prediction that Bitcoin and Ethereum would reach 100,000 and 5,000 respectively by the end of 2022. In December, McGlone predicted that Bitcoin would outperform the US stock market. Now, he expects Solana and Binance to stick around as the top 5 alongside Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. At the same time, McGlone is highly critical of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. He recently said that the market had to be cleansed of such meme coins for blue chips to thrive. Now, the inflation-wary US Federal Reserve has seen some of the biggest hindrance of cryptocurrency bull, as reported by Goldman Sachs recently, that the Bitcoin was more vulnerable than ever to future interest rate hikes due to the fact now that it trends to trade in lockstep with traditional financial assets. Now, Bitcoin and Ethereum are down by 44 and 46% respectively from their highs. Earlier this week, top cryptocurrency briefly dropped about 33,000, pushing the whole significantly lower. In his research, McGlone wrote that 30,000 might become the new 3,000 level for Bitcoin, referring to the crash that took place in December 2018. Last September, he accurately forecasted that the future-based Bitcoin exchange traded fund would be approved in October. So, of course, Finder's expert predicts Bitcoin will peak at 94,000 this year. Finder panel's 33 fintech specialists have forecasted that the price of Bitcoin will peak at 94,000 by the end of the year, above 76,000. In addition to the panel, expect that the price of cryptocurrency can reach 192,000 by 2025 and 400,000 in 2030. Finder experts believe that the Bitcoin price for 2022, 25, and 30, they found some major predictions. According to the panel, Bitcoin is expected to peak about 93,000 this year before dropping to 76,000 by the end of 2022. This is roughly 60% higher than the price of Bitcoin in the beginning of 2022. By the end of 2025, the panel believes that Bitcoin will reach 192,000, which is 7% lower than the October forecast, and by end of the 2030, Bitcoin to reach 400,000, which is 28% lower than October forecast. Now, of course, Finder explained potential interest rate hike might be leading the panel to more conservative with their prediction compared back in October. And cryptocurrencies are proving to be a staple competitor to the traditional financial infrastructure of the world, and many projects are now well beyond their realm of potential value and reliability of delivery. So, let us know what you think about the prediction by Finder expert in the comment section below. That's all I have today, and Bitcoin is trading at 37,000. So while I hand over to Manish for the next segment, join us daily live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, 11 p.m. Singapore time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you like money and crypto, do hit the subscribe button. Manish, take it away.
Yeah, so today one interesting thing which I'm going to share today, you can import the entire CoinGecko cryptocurrency data into your Microsoft Excel. So not always you need to look for CoinGecko, because your Excel will live sync up with CoinGecko and pull out the data. Uh, you can create as many details you want. Later, I'm going to share the Excel sheet which we have created today, and I'll share what are the details we are capturing it. And it's completely customizable, guys. In CoinGecko, you will have a lot of information. So when you sync the API in your Excel sheet, you no need to sync, or you need not to look for all 1,600 token data. So whichever cryptos you are interested with, you can just have a sync. So I'll just give you a high level information here, because I have a plan to come up with a how to videos where I'll show how we have created this Excel sheet and established the API connection from the Excel sheet to CoinGecko. Okay, to give you some information, first thing what you have to do is you have to go to Excel sheet data, and from web you have to select the option called from web, and you have to define, or you have to give a API gateway information, which is your API CoinGecko API version 3 coin and list. So the entire HTTPS thing you have to copy in your form web, and once you connect here, after that you have to click OK. Once you click OK, then you will see your data structure being loaded, and once you see this data, then you have to close and load the table. And these are the API calls, the information of the tokens which we called here. And there are some more scripts which you have to paste in here, which I think I'll cover in the how to sections. Okay, so once you have this list, after that you will be able to pull out all these informations. So it has a coin symbol, it has a coin ID, it has all the details, necessary details over here. So once it's done, create your list, click OK, and refresh all, boom, you will be able to see all your data here in Excel sheets. So let me share the Excel sheet first, then you will understand better. Stop sharing, and now share back again, sharing this Excel sheet. So you see here, okay, then you can see, let me show you one more thing. Let me share just a minute. I close this off, edit. Okay, this is source. Okay, edit setting.
You're not showing anything, Manish.
Huh? I'm not
You're, not,
showing anything.
you're just showing the
Oh,
Excel.
then I think it's opening lots of windows. So I think what I have to do is better I need to share this so that I can share now. It's okay now?
Yeah, but I can see our own.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
you can see here all these from CoinGecko APIs, which we have pulled out all the top 10, top 100 coin list. And then based on this top 100 coin, we have created our portfolios. So these are the coins which I'm holding it. And this current price from the VLOOKUP, and all this information's been pulled out from the VLOOKUP. Then the number of purchase, what you have purchased the coin, you can list out here. Amount, okay, initial transaction value, okay, based on the formula C into D4, C4 into D4, and then current value D4 into B4, and then gross. This is the formula, and what is my gross and loss, everything will come here. So once you have this Excel sheet, what you can do, whichever portfolio you are holding it, you can just key in all your tokens which you are holding it in your portfolios, and current price, you have to do a VLOOKUP from this top 100, and after that you will be able to pull out all your informations, and it will reflect your gain and loss here. Okay, so let me show you how you can get these datas. So for me, what I have done, come here in data.
Might be hard to see, Manish.
Very hard
It's
to
very
see, right?
small. Mm.
Yeah, so I think no problem. I'll come up with the how-to videos
Mm.
where it'll be nicely captured, and we'll be able to show the data. But
Yeah.
those who are looking for this Excel sheet for your reference, we'll be able to share this Excel sheet to you guys. You need not to do any coding. You can just avail this and create your
Mm.
portfolios and
Let us
derivative.
know if you are watching this offline or live. If you want the Excel sheet, just head down over to our Telegram group, and Manish will be happy to send it over to you guys. I think we'll just put it inside our Telegram group.
Yeah, so it's live syncing is happening every day, or whenever you want to get the live update, you just need to refresh all, it will pull out information from API, and that's all. So you can see here the queries I've already configured here, the list is configured, the market read details are configured, the derivatives and 30 days data, all the connections and configuration is already there. You need not to do anything, just own this Excel sheet and start maintaining it. Only the portfolio part you have to change it based on your holdings, and just update your current price, the VLOOKUP. I think current price also you need not to, you just need to do a VLOOKUP once with this, and then that's all. It will show your gain and loss on a daily basis. You will be able to nicely track down here all your portfolios. So let us know in our Telegram group if you want this Excel sheet. We'll be able to share with you guys.
Yep. And very important also, if you can use this that Manish has given and also expand on it by tracking a particular coin or project that you like to understand
Yeah.
how the growth of the wallet, market cap, so these are things that you want to try to automate and easy for you to make certain
Yeah,
decisions.
in this same Excel sheet, you can have a, because we already have a column called market cap, and if you want to track for your portfolio, you can just put one VLOOKUP and it will start pulling out from there the information.
Yep.
So easy to track. I think the idea morning only Wayne has given to explore this, and today managed to download all the scripts and configure in Excel sheets, and then boom, it's working fine. So we can share with you this Excel sheet. You need not to go for any coding, and you can avail it free.
Yep. Very good value, Manish, for doing that. So let's see what's happening over at the market side of things. We are still trading at 20. Of course, this will continue for the next few weeks. So we have to see how the market fare. Just all we can do right now is just dollar cost average. Keep eyes on the news of things to come. Mixed bag, guys. Between the some of the cryptocurrencies. So and also on the lighter side of the green, which will most likely in the coming weeks go back to red. Top 3 coins, actually top 10 coins, Axie Infinity, Spell Token, Tezos, Starlink, Chainlink, Decentraland, Koti, GM, RVIF, and Flow. So this top 10 I'm using actually for LunarCrush. For those who want to know how to use this, if it came out a 4-part series recently, so you can go and check out our how-to sections. So of course we have 17,000 cryptos, 450 exchanges. Market cap is lingering at 1.7 trillion. Of course, last 24 hours volume was also low, considering that this is a weekend. Bitcoin and Ethereum takes about 60% of the market share. Bitcoin last 24 hours is up by 0.75. Ethereum up by 2.26. BNB down by 0.86. Cardano down by 0.23. Solana down by 0.81. XRP down by 0.01. And Terra Luna down by 4.53. Doge is also down by 0.39. So last 7 days, of course, they have broke record, but we're still not out of the bearish market yet. So of course, if you look at the Bitcoin right now, we're at about 1.7. Seems like momentum on the sellers is going up and the bulls are coming in. Right now we have 1.7 trillion. Bitcoin, of course, climbing up. Resistance still at 39,000. We are expecting support at 35, not breaking below that. Of course, a lot of anticipation with any news that's going to happen, especially on the US stock market, can potentially bring Bitcoin back down to 29 to 30,000. So let's hope that we see a nice rally up to about 70,000, breaking the all-time high, which we experienced this on the 20th of October. So that's all I have, guys. Manish, do you have a tweet of the day?
Yeah, I do have a tweet for the day. Okay, let me share it. There's some important information is coming from
So while Manish sets up the tweet of the day, if you are new to this channel, remember this is more for educational purpose and not financial advice. We have 500 over videos on interviews, how-tos, crypto trends, tokenomics, NFT, and blockchain. And you can always connect with us on our Telegram group with a very small growing community. So
just hold on. Yeah, so there is interesting information from Titano. They have announced the winner for Play. Yeah, Titano Play. And they just updated in their tweet that we are happy to announce the Titano Play winner, a grand prize of quite huge money, and then prize value divided into 10 winners, which will be around 20K each, and winner address in X transactions. You can see here in a Binance Smart Chain scan. So they are the winner, those who has participated in this play, and the winner. Congratulations to the winner. Thank you.
okay, guys, have a great weekend. We'll see you tomorrow, same time, same channel.
Yeah, take care, guys.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?